In this short video, I will show you how I do my first drip airdrop to my Dripaholics team members. The airdrop was done last Sunday, so if you are in my team, check your drip balance. If you are a member of my Dripaholics Telegram group, you will already know that I did the airdrop as I posted it there first. I have 1.798 drip to claim from my account and use for the airdrop, so let me first claim the drip to my MetaMask wallet. I will add some extra drip that I have sitting in my wallet to the airdrop, because this is the first time I'm doing this, so there will be some more drip to distribute. Okay. Now let's find out how many people are in my team. I just started the Dripaholics team, and I only have 3 members who will receive free drip tokens. But that will change soon, as more people join in. Okay, let's run the airdrop. I have 2.35 drip and something to give away, so every member will get 0.7 drip, that's around $38, based on the current drip price of $55. I would say, that's not so bad for doing nothing on a lazy Sunday. Here we go. Let's confirm the transaction in MetaMask, and the first team member will soon get the free drip tokens in his or her deposit. And we are waiting for the transaction to go through. This is taking a lot of time. That's strange. The Binance Smart Chain seems to be acting very slow lately. I don't know what matters. Maybe they are doing some maintenance or something. Okay, it worked. Now, let's do the second airdrop and confirm the transaction again. Come on MetaMask. Do your job and send out the drip. This normally never lasts so long. Okay. I'm going to pause this video here and leave. If you are in my team, check your deposit account, and if you don't see the 0.7 drip there, let me know in the Telegram chat box. But I'm sure everything will work out right, so don't stress. One more thing. If you also want to join my Dripaholics team, and receive free drip tokens every Sunday, check the description box below. I have put down all the information there. Or join my Dripaholics Telegram group to get the latest team announcements first. I have the Telegram link below. Thanks for watching again, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the beautiful bell. Have a great day.